Hey Jake, Isla, Gemma, and Samantha. It's thrilling Thursday. I have some jewels on my tank top because you know I love sparkles. It's the last week of school and a palm tree in my head. Jake, I know you love it. This one's the best. But wait until tomorrow. So now I'm kind of sad. Today is my last YouTube lesson for you guys. But tomorrow, tune in for your Feel Good Friday, last day of school, read aloud with something extra special on my head. I'm making it right now. All right, so we are, just a reminder, we are meeting at 1:30 today, okay? I sent you your Google invite. I remind you on my Google slide today. So 1:30 today we're meeting. And all we're gonna be doing is continuing with area and perimeter. Oh, I forgot one little thing, my sign, hold on. Okay, so let's just go over what area is. Area is the measurement that covers a shape, so you have to do the length times the width. L times W, and you label it as square units or square inches or square feet if we're working with one of those. Then perimeter is the distance around a shape, and you just add up all the sides and you measure that in units or in feet, in inches, whatever it may be. So my whiteboard markers are officially done for the school year, which is fine. So we'll just use paper and a good old Crayola marker. All right, so I'm just gonna do a couple more examples just to show you. We'll do a couple shapes. We'll find the area and the perimeter of both. Okay, now I'm also going to do a little bit different of a label. I'm going to go 12 feet, 12 feet, then I'll say, I'm going to make this one easy, 2 feet, 2 feet. So I want the area and the perimeter of this rectangle, okay? So we're going to find the area by doing L times W, length times width. So that would be 12 times 2 equals 24. Now, because I labeled it as feet, you need to label it as square feet. So the area of this rectangle is 24 square feet, right? Because like I said, if I give you the label, then you need to use that label. If there's no label, that's when you use units, because you always have to label when you're measuring. All right, now to find the perimeter, we're going to add up all the sides. So I'm going to do the work. I'm going to create a little workbox for myself. I'm going to say 12 plus 12 plus 2 plus 2. Remember to line up your place values, right? The ones with the ones, the tens with the tens. It's super important that you always line up your place values. So 2 plus 2 is 4. You could do your little sideways carrot. Remember I showed that to you, Jake and I, in the 3rd grade, but it's a good strategy to use. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Nothing to your group. 1 plus 1 is 2. So the perimeter is 28 feet. Now, don't write units, write feet. Why? Because I labeled it as feet. So do your work very carefully today, because if I label something as feet or inches, that's what you should have a label as too. All right, let's flip over and we can do another example, and then you guys are on your own and we meet at 1:30. Okay. I'm gonna keep my numbers small, but you guys have the bigger numbers, the trickier numbers, because you know what? One more day of math, guys. You could do it, work really, really hard for me. Multiply those big numbers and add them. So I'm going to say 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 3 centimeters. Now, I abbreviated centimeters with the cm, which you guys should know that from all our measuring that we've done. So I'm going to find the area and the perimeter. So the area is the length times the width, so I'm going to multiply 10 times 3. So 10 times 3 equals 30, remember, square centimeters. Square centimeters. Then I'm going to set up my workbox for the perimeter. I'm going to add up 10 plus 10 plus 3 plus 3. Oh, this one's easy. 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3, plus 3 is 6. Nothing to regroup. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, so we get 26 centimeters. So the area is 30 square centimeters, and the perimeter is 26 centimeters. Well, guys, I hope you liked watching all my math YouTube teaching videos. I missed teaching you in the classroom, but I had fun making the videos for you, and I love seeing you working together in our Google Meet. So we'll meet today for more area and perimeter, and we'll meet tomorrow for Dairy Queen Land. But don't worry, you get one more video of me reading you a really fun picture book for our Feel Good Friday, last day of school. Woohoo! All right, I'll see you later. Bye!